go high. It's like Ron, they ride I don't like anything. I guess they say, well, she does look like him. All three of you kids are there. And she was that's always your brother. But it's just like he's so fast. Look at him flying, he's flying.
That much. Bring it back down. Yep. You got it? You got it? Hold it tight. Why are you that far, huh? Yep. Just think those are 2 or 4 plates. Same for the border, just sticking over. No. Go ahead and cut this one over here.
And the pickle. I would too, doggone it. Look at Daddy smell, Rodney.
You better stop.
Don't get me in it, I bet you don't. I'm puny, don't get me.
Watch it, you're gonna get hurt. My
Turn around and let Daddy see you do that. Boy, you got a lick between your eyes, didn't you?
You're saying it?
With a cheap and a 2-pack of Duracell batteries are only $1.79.
With Eckerd, I can get in and out with what I need in no time at all, which gives me more time to enjoy the things that take more time.
It's Christmas at Eckerd because America can't wait.
Don't know which phone to buy? We just remodeled, and I buy these. Good choices. At Walmart, these General Electric phones in blue, white, gray, and rose are only $39.96 anytime you shop. And for your entertainment, Sound Design's rack system with dual cassette player, turntable, and an AM/FM stereo is just $224.86 every day. For my electronics, I shop Walmart when I'm ready to buy.
At Church of Fried Chicken, we're always looking for new ideas. We just found one. New country fried steak. Batter dipped in golden fried outside, tender beef steak inside.
Oh, be quiet.
That's just the second.
radio, and I've been a radio since I was 14 years old. A lot of the programs kind of porous. We have certain that we can choose from, and certain that are the current top hits. We play those.
Just like this 5 more minutes. Start out every night. Start out every night. 5 foot 4.5 inch trimmer, huh? Header. Yeah. Screaming out. Yeah. Get up out of the dirt.
I can dance. Hey, Carlos.
Daddy, look. You know what? You need to get that drink. Excuse me, who's present?
America's largest home builder. U.S. Home. Buying quality materials to make quality homes in good neighborhoods at affordable prices. U.S. Home. Sheltering more Americans than any other builder. U.S. Home. The leader. That's why I'm